Hi everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I wanted to show you how to use another one of Clover's amazing tools. So today we're going to be using Clover's embroidery stitching tool. This technique is also commonly referred to as punch needle embroidery. And the beauty with this tool is that it's great for beginner embroiderers, but it's also really good for advanced embroiderers because it can teach you a new technique. So if you want to see how to use Clover's embroidery stitching tool, then come along. So much for following along today, guys. I hope this inspires you to start using Clover's embroidery stitching tool. And until next time, I'm Elizabeth with Country Peony. Happy crafting.